Hi children, good morning. Welcome to my video class. Today let us start sex. So what is meant by sex? If I gave some things, what do you think? I'll ask you to list all the things in this room. So what you are observe? You'll say that we had one chair, table, benches, fan, charts, tube lights, fans, everything you are going to say like that. So these all, they are the set. These all things form the set. Is it? Let us. For example, set of flowers, set of birds, set of vegetables, etc. Some groups, just group of flowers or group of birds or group of things or group of coins, like that we are going to take. Yes. So whenever I will ask you what is meant by set. Now I want to ask you, list out all the things in your room. So you may tell that there are bench, table, chairs, some fan, tube lights, charts, something you are going to tell. This all they form set. Let us see. Means we know that a set is a group of things. A set is a collection of well-defined objects. Here the word we are going to use. Well-defined objects. Yes. And distinct. Let us understand the definition for this. So what is this children? Just now I tell, list all the things you see in your room. So some few things in your room I said. So what is there? Things means you told all bench, chairs, tables, everything. Even air also available is there, as oxygen also available is there, carbon dioxide also available is there, nitrogen also available is there. Few things are there in our, even temperature also there in our room. So what I can say that means list out. How can we list out? Means we are taking some particular which we see and which we cannot see. See means you can say that table, chair, etc. things. Which cannot see means you can say air combination of it, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, etc. In that way we can see. Means we are seeing, we are segregating. If we are segregating the things, means which we see, which we cannot see. In that way we are segregating the things. In this segregation only we can say that well-defined objects. Means something we are giving that which you can see. Then only you can give that numbers. H. Which cannot see means you can say that oxygen or carbon dioxide like that. Means I am showing that particularly I am telling these things you have to take and tell the set. With these things which you see, things tell me and set the numbers. In that way we are giving some well definition for the things. That means we are giving the well definition. So that is a set means it is a collection of a well defined objects. See here, if you are having the flowers, all the flowers are there here. As I keep some fruit. Some fruit if I keep here, what happens? Is it a collection of flowers in it? Can you say? No madam, only two flowers are there, one apple is there. How can you say that it is a collection of flowers? Yes, means only flowers. You have to take only flowers. The collection of all the flowers you can say it as a set. And the collection of all the mangoes we will say it as a fruits. In such a way, we cannot combine that one and we cannot say that it is a set. Means they should have some particular definition, well-defined definition, as well as they should be different from each other. Distinct means different from each other. So then only this is called as set. Means what is meant by set? Set is a collection of well-defined objects. Means the well-defined is important. See here, if I take some group of birds. Birds means all the birds you are going to get. Crows will be there, pigeons will be there, sparrows will be there, everything will be there. If I say group of some crows, if I mingle the 2 or 3 sparrows in that, can you say that this is a group of crows? No, it is not a set. Why? Because they mingle with this one. If these are a separate, if only crows are there, if you are taking, there is a well defined. Only crows is a well defined. This is a set. If you are taking group of some sparrows, then they can say that they are the group of sparrows. They can say set. But combination of both we cannot say. In such a, okay, for birds we can take all the birds. We are taking their well defined term is what? Birds. Here we are taking well defined term is birds. So at that time we can mix all the, we can mingle all the birds. But here particularly set of crows. Set of crows means all in that crow, in the set, all crows must be there. Set of sparrows. Set of sparrows means what? All the sparrows should be there. Set of pigeons. Pigeons should be there. That is a well defined object. This is a well defined object. Means that is a well defined. Okay, and that each are distinct, different from each other. Okay, children. And next, I am going to give some example for this. So, I think, do you understand by set, well defined object set list? So, give some examples of the sets in your, from your textbook or in your daily life you can give. See here, so many trees are there. We can say that the set of the trees, neem tree, mango tree, some neem tree, mango tree, turmeric tree, like that different types of trees we can get. But if I say only neem trees means it may be here, that side, or that all we can take. Or the set of mango trees means you can take the example of the mangoes garden. Okay, children. In that way, set means should be, it is a collection of a well defined objects and district. This is about the set. And set will be denoted by the capital letters. Okay. Next set should be represented in the two ways. How it should be represented in the two ways? First, in the roster form or listed form. One student. Okay, let's see some examples of sets from our mathematics. See here, set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers. So they are denoted by N. Set of whole numbers. Set of whole numbers. Whole numbers. Next, integers. They are denoted by Z. Set of integers. This include positive numbers, negative numbers, including 0. In this way, a set of rational numbers. X such that X belongs to Z, where Px is equal to P by Q, equal to P by Q. P and Q belongs to Z, and Q should not be equal to 0. This is the condition. These are the some sets of numbers in our mathematics. Yes. Now, how to list out the sets in our in the we are having the 2. See, children, if I ask you set of natural numbers, we'll write set of natural numbers. We are going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. If I ask you set of strong girls in your class, how can you write this word? Strong girls. Strong girls in our class. How can we write? In what way they are strong? Or emotionally they are strong? Or physically they are strong? Or they are mentally strong? How can we write? We cannot write. This type of terms we will call it as relative terms. These relative terms. By using these relative terms, we cannot write a set. These are not at all a set. If I ask same thing, the strongest below 50 kgs. Sorry, above 50 kgs. If I ask you like that, you can write. Who are girls are above 50 kgs. Where are they? We can write. They are the. We can write some names and we can write. They are the set of girls, strong girls. Condition is there, greater than 50 kgs. In that, if they are asking like this, we cannot write. Sometimes we will ask set of talented persons. Talented persons. What kind of talented persons are there? What kind of talented persons? We cannot write. This is also a relative terms. It also not forms set. This also not forms a set. Whenever we are using this relative terms comes under, we cannot write we cannot write the sets. If some condition is there, then for relative terms also some condition is there, then we can write. Thank you. How to represent the sets? We are having two methods. First one is, it is listing method, or we will call it as roster method. We call it as roster method. And next one we will call it as rule method. We will call it as set builder form. Set builder form. So first let us learn about the lister method or roster method. So what is meant by the listing method? So in this only we are having listing. We are going to list things. See, if I ask you the set of natural numbers. So the set of natural numbers from below 10. Yes, the set of natural numbers means you are right, n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on you can write. Or multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 means you can write 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, so on like this. You can write. This form we will call it as listing form or roster form. Listing form or roster form. But in this way we can list. See, for some more examples also we can. Set of flowers, rose, lily, jasmine, sunflower, like that we can write. Set of animals, lion, tiger, buffalo, cow, etc. In that way we can write. But whenever if you are writing in the set builder form, so in this method you can write list out things. So but if in the rule set builder form, see here, if I ask you set of whole numbers below 10,000. Set of all whole numbers below 10,000. What you are going to say? How you are going to write in the listing method or roster method? It is complicated. It will be impractical and it is also taking time consuming. At that time, we will go for the another method. It is called as rule method or set builder form. So in this way we are going to write. How we are going to write? Here, see. See. Then we have to write like this. Something I will put like this. Has whole numbers W. I will take like this. W, here flower bracket. This is the flower bracket. It is X, such that X. So what it is? X belongs to W. It is belongs to W and condition is there. What condition? It should be less than 10,000. Means whole number should be less than 10,000. Yes. Again close. Understood. So this is flower brackets and this is some x. This is some x belongs to natural number and w is less than greater than 10,000. It is less than 10,000. We have tried less than 10,000. Means all the numbers you are going to get less than 10,000. From 0 to 9,999 we can here are there. But that many we cannot write in the listing form. We can write in this form. For example, if one more example I will give you, that x such that x belongs to n and n should be less than 100. So what is meant by this? These are the natural numbers. N means it is n. This symbol for such that it is x such that x belongs to what? Natural numbers. And how many natural numbers should be there? It should be less than 100. Means the numbers all from 1 to 99 are comes under this set. In such a way we can represent the sets in the what? Roster form as well as in the listing form. So first listing form or roster form. Yes, these are the, we can list all the number of elements of the sets in that. And next thing in rule method or set builder form. If they, which we cannot write in the very lot of numbers are there or lot of things are there which we cannot write, at that time we can write in the set builder form. And see children, one more thing, in this set, if natural number set is there 1, 2, 3, 4, so whatever they are coming here, this all we will call it as elements of the sets. Elements of the sets. Elements of the sets. These are all called as the elements of the sets. Okay children, thank you. Let us discuss types of sets in another class. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon.